Here is how to check the login activity of your Gmail account. So first open Gmail on your laptop and come to the account whose activity you'd want to see. So you can change the account by clicking on the profile picture on the top right. And once you're here, just scroll down to the end and below you'll see this option called Details. Click on this and here it is. So this gives us detailed insights into the login activity to this Gmail account. So I'll quickly tell you what all they show us. So on top, you can see any concurrent activity. So this means that on any other device, if someone is currently accessing this Gmail account, you'll see that on top. So here they're saying that currently no one else is accessing this account, and below we can see recent activity. So on the left, we can see the access type. So this includes applications, browsers, or your mobile. And they give us all the details over here. And if you want more details, you can just click on Show Details. And here they've given us more details about the system. After that, we can see the IP address in the middle column. And in the rightmost column, we can see the date and time as to when they last logged in. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some important privacy and security settings for your Google account, check out this video. Goodbye.